All right, we are having a book review today, and this is the books. Phew.
Like, oh goddamn, that's the bitch that I want. Oh goddamn, diamonds all in my front.
So, here are the top 5 books I recommend if you're starting on self-improvement. Number 1, Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book is all about finance, and I highly suggest with you because it teaches you about taxes, assets, liabilities. Now, the problem is evergreen, which basically means that it is constantly renewing. Let's say, for example, this book is published 2005. So 20 years after this book published, it is still applicable for today. Just like me, I am an avid reader, so I read a lot of books. So my suggestion to you guys is when you have money, you buy courses. It is much better than these books, and you will save a lot of time. And for my case, I can afford buying online course right now. So that's why I buy books. So let's move on to my top 2 tier book is, yes, Atomic Habits. So this book, guys, is so valuable for me, especially when I'm starting out, because Atomic Habits is all about habits. You do not build success with habits. You do not build success with just one day. It's all about habits. It's how you do every single day. Let's say, for example, every day you read 10 pages per day. How many books are you going to read within 1 year? It's a lot, right? So it says that the goal is not to read a book, the goal is to become a reader. The goal is not to run a marathon, the goal is to become an athlete. The goal is not to play a music, but become a singer. And Atomic Habits, guys, is, let's say, for example, this graph is time and this is value. 1% better every day is much more better than 1% downwards every day. So let's move on to my top 3 book. I highly suggest to you guys, and this is my first book, and this is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. And this book, guys, is all about self-confidence. I do not care what people think of me, say of me, because someday we will die, and so we only have one life, so why not make the most of it? Let's move on to my number 4 best book I recommend. I highly suggest to you guys. Deep Work by Cal Newport. In today's world, we are living in a distracted age, constant scrolling to TikTok, social media, and your phone can be your greatest enemy or your best friend. That's what the difference between the winners and the losers. It says here, guys, that quitting social media is much more valuable if you do not have benefits on it or you are not happy with it. And I have all my highlighter here. So I don't know if you see that. So that I could recall my learning information as much as possible. Okay. Now, for the last one, last but not least, is Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. This book, guys, is so valuable for me. It is the most important thing because recently I have this ego na that I don't need to read books, I don't need to meditate for a few months, and my life just deteriorate. And when I read this book is all about being a lifelong student. So even if I'm withering old, I would still continue learning. Even when I read a lot, learn everything in the internet, read articles, I will still keep learning as long as I'm alive. That's what the difference between a winner and a loser. So I hope you guys enjoy this book review. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me guys what you guys did like, and bye.